Welcome to Counselors Online Services, or COLS. This video will show you how to use the Academic Information function to check the status of and change information for your full-time and part-time students. When you are logged in, choose Academic Information from the Service Links menu. In Academic Information, you can double-check the information you sent in your OST files, verify student information, update diploma and course information, change grades information, and more. Note: non-home schools have limited access to academic information. Tip: you can search for your full-time and/or part-time students under Student Status. To see a list of all your students, select Both under Student Status and leave all other fields blank. Enter your search criteria and click Search. The school column shows your Mydent for your full-time students and the Mydent for your part-time students' home school. To maintain your part-time students' courses, the student must add your school to the academic background section of their undergraduate application. To see the academic information for an individual student, select Review in the Actions column. There are 3 tabs for your full-time students. For your part-time students, you only have access to the Courses tab. In the Diploma Details tab, you can update all diploma-related information for your full-time students. In the Courses tab, you can add, update, and drop courses for your full-time and/or part-time students. Notes: you cannot view the full academic record of your part-time students. You can maintain the courses that part-time students are taking at your school only. Home schools can maintain all academic information for their full-time students, including part-time courses taken at another school. Home schools should correct any course-related errors generated by OST file uploads. To add a course, click Add Course and fill in the required information. To update a course, select the appropriate values from the drop-down. Note: to change the course code or completion date, you must drop the course first and then add the course again. To drop a course, scroll horizontally and check the drop box located in the last column. When you have made all your changes, click Save All Courses and Diploma Details. You will see a notice at the top of your screen in blue text indicating that you successfully saved your changes. Any errors will be highlighted. You must correct all errors to save your changes to the student's file. If you add a course for your part-time student that the home school already added, your course will be placed in an error status for the home school to fix. This will happen for duplicate and repeat courses. Note that the COLS administrator at your school will receive an email when courses or grades have been reported by a school where your student is registered part-time. If your file has any errors that resulted from your file upload, pending errors, you should correct them. The Course Summary tab shows you the most current status of all the information on file with the UAC for your full-time students. At the top of the page is the link to review the academic history of your full-time students. When you have made all your changes, select Close to return to your search results. Select the options at the top to change your criteria or start a new search. You have now learned how to successfully use the Academic Information function in COLS. For more features and tips about using COLS, check out the COLS resource section on the guidance website.